Hello Homesteaders. So here I am at my sweet tangerine tomato plant. The other day we picked this first tomato of the year. It was still a little green. I let it sit inside to ripen a little bit. Look at that thing. Beautifully orange. It's been, I think, 3 days. So I am going to slice that baby up tonight and have it for dinner. Sweet tangerine tomato. Let's see how it looks cut up. All right, here we go. Let's cut this baby up. Sweet tangerine looks beautiful. I think I'm gonna cut it in, look at that. I'm gonna cut it in pieces because we're gonna serve it as an appetizer here before dinner. Look at that, is that thick? Meaty tomato. 3 good slices for me and Amanda and Debbie. Let me try that right there. That's pretty good.